Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Here is Sophia, proud representing Pinoy Pine Lovers, a 30 years old from Lady.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. My name is Sophia. I am proud of representing Pinoy Pinay Lovers. I am 13 years old from Leyte. Ak- Ako'y naniniwala sa kasabihang sa mahal ang bigas, gayon din ang gas. Maraming mandurugas, maraming ding patatas. Walang iba, kundi ang Pilipinas. And I thank you.